you put in a container. Okay, there I put, and then I put some salt down there, and on top of that I put jeera and little bit of what they call pepper powder. Then after that you have to mix properly. So I will close it. Okay, I don't want my hand to feel the masala inside. Okay, you have to mix it properly. Well, you have vinegar. You just pour some amount of vinegar. That will be enough, I think, so that after you open the pickle it remain long. Okay, so that is actually I bought it from Mizoram while visiting Mizoram, and it's very spicy. Okay, you won't get it here in a plain area, you get only in June cultivation. Mustard oil, I'm frying it so that the smell will disappear. Okay, then I'll just boil it or fry it for some time so that the raw smell of the mustard oil disappear. I put little bit of ginger so that we get a little taste of ginger. That also I bought it from the hilly area. I hope it will do well. I forgot to bring the haldi. Little bit of haldi is needed, but I think it's fine if you don't put it also. Okay, so boil it for some time, and then you have to cool it. After boiling it, you have to keep it like that for some time. Don't put it direct because the chili is as it is. Okay, if you just put it, the chili will start bursting it. Okay, so that is the mustard oil. Too much of foam is coming. I think this Tiger engine oil is not that good. I think today I have seen it. Too much of oil, foam is coming up. And even then, let's see, it looks like a sugarcane water now. So I will cool it down, this one. The smell is coming out now, so no problem. So I pour the hot oil inside. Okay, I mix nicely. This is with oil, that little bit of black pepper and vinegar and a huge amount of jeera. So you have to keep like this for quite long. So I already mixed it. I'll keep it like this, and I'll let you know after opening how it is.